So there's the rodent hole. And now here's all the paths the rodent has made around his home. Quite interesting. Cool. So I'm here at the lake in the nature area here. I had been listening while I was walking to that program from John St. Augustine, how amazingly coincidental it is, and where I'm walking and what I'm doing than what I heard. It's pretty amazing. I just kind of wanted to write, though, and not talk on the radio. I've done radio before. You hear a screech. Oh, in the mud. Yeah, it did. Oh, interesting. Slid in the mud on this walk here. It's quite interesting. Right as I was talking about the screech from the bird. Yeah, right back up again. Didn't show him my britches. Caught that. Just wondering about it all. What's going on? Very interesting. Fall and got back up again. Okay, that's where I came from down that path. Now I'm going up the hill. I went all the way over there, down through there, over here. So, over. Look where this water is flowing out of this rock. Must have been doing this for millions of years. Look at this. This has dug the rock down, formed it. Just a stream, little stream. Just a tiny stream. Pam and Brett and Braden. Wow, that's worn a long time. Look at that water flowing that no trickle for so long. Where them rocks? No one expects this. No one expected the Spanish Inquisition. That is beautiful. It's a gorgeous spot. Down here I didn't notice earlier. Very nice. So this is like where the paths meet. I'll probably be going back here as soon as I check out this spot here. Some beautiful rocks. It's very nice back in here. But there's water in the path here. And so it's hard to get over there. I think I will a little bit anyway, because I'm always very interested in what's around the corner. Just gotta step on the rocks. Gorgeous looking rocks. Coming out of there. Very different. Huh. So I had to sign a piece of paper that I was back in here. Guess I'm supposed to turn it in when I leave. In case people get stuck back here. Or lost. Or hurt. A lot of good things. Among systems humans create. Okay, so there's the path back. We came across this way down through here. And they got an easier path back. There's a path going up that way. Ooh, that's way straight up. Anyway, gotta get to Sinus. So I'll go this way. Okay, well that section there was difficult too. Coming back up again. But not bad. Not bad. Oh, then I see this path off to my left. So I go up to the path. Look on this path. That was the wrong path. Down this one. Very cool. Speaking, I'd rather write, but I could speak too, I guess. Need to, I guess.